So, hello traders. If you are learning candlestick patterns, then today's video is very important for you. Today we will talk about the inverted hammer candlestick pattern, which is considered a strong bullish reversal signal in the market. Let's start with the basics. A hammer candlestick pattern is a bullish reversal pattern that usually appears after a downtrend. This means the market has been falling continuously and suddenly this special candle appears, signaling that buyers may be coming back into the market. Now look carefully at the image. On the left side of the image, you can see the structure of a hammer candle. This candle has a small body. At the top shelf, a very long lower wick or shadow, little or no upper wick. The long lower wick is the most important part of this pattern. And according to the rules shown in the image, the lower wick should be at least 2 times bigger than the body size. The candle body can be green or red. Color does not matter much, although a green hammer is usually considered slightly stronger. Now let's move to the center part of the image. You can see multiple red candles moving downward. This represents a downtrend. The market is continuously falling and sellers are fully controlling the price. Then suddenly a hammer candle appears at the bottom. This is extremely important because the hammer pattern is only powerful when it forms after a downtrend. Now look at the right side of the image. After the hammer candle forms, the market starts moving upward. Green bullish candles appear one after another. This indicates a possible trend reversal. In simple words, downtrend, hammer candle, bullish reversal. Now let's go through all the rules shown in this image one by one. 1. Signal type. The hammer is a bullish reversal pattern. 2. Trend. It should form during a downtrend. 3. Formation. It should appear at the bottom side of the market. 4. Body color. The candle can be green or red. 5. Wick size. The lower wick should be at least twice the size of the body. 6. Upper wick. The upper wick should be very small or completely absent. Now let's talk about trading strategy. N. Never enter immediately after seeing a hammer candle. Wait for confirmation. If the next candle closes bullish and breaks the hammer's high, then traders consider taking an entry. Stop loss. Place your stop loss below the hammer candle's low, because if the market breaks below the hammer, the setup may become invalid. Now let's discuss some common mistakes. Trading hammer in sideways markets. Ignoring confirmation candles. Taking trades against strong trends. Not using stop loss. Entering too early. Professional traders never rely only on one candlestick pattern. They combine hammer patterns with support and resistance. So friends, this was the complete explanation of the hammer candlestick pattern. Guys, if you have any doubt, you can contact me on my Telegram channel. I already give you my Telegram link in our YouTube video description box. So join our Telegram channel and ask me if you have any doubt and any question in my Telegram channel. I will provide you our 2 free VIP signal and 3 PDF file. Don't waste your time. Join our Telegram channel, link and description box. Now you know how this pattern looks, why it forms told, what it tells traders, and how to trade it properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite candlestick pattern, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more trading content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.